Yeah, good morning YouTube. Had this show up last night from Amazon. They shipped it same day delivery. I think I ordered this about 10 in the morning and it came about 8 at night. It was a little bit late. I didn't see when they showed up. But yeah, it was no additional cost for the same day shipping, so I figured I would go with that. We got some BuildTak 3D printing surface. So this is 3 12-inch square sheets here, and I think this has the adhesive on it. Yeah, white adhesive liner applied to bare build plate. So the reason I picked this up, this is to go on my Type A machine Series 1 Pro printer. This is supposed to be a pretty good build surface that you don't have to apply any preparation to. What I was finding is I was having repeatability issues. I would get one print that worked really good and I would do the exact same thing, and the next print the first layer wouldn't stick, you know, and it would gum up the print head, and I'd have to shut it down and clean it up, and then I'd prep the bed again and I would get a perfect print. Okay, YouTube, we got the BuildTak applied to the Series 1 Pro build plate. So what I did, I scraped the glass down with a razor. I had a few spots of glue stick remaining, and then I used the acetone to get the ABS juice off, and then after I got it pretty clean, rubbed it down with some rubbing alcohol, got it nice and squeaky clean. Then you pull off the backing paper, the white side. The sheet is just perfectly cut. I missed it a couple of millimeters off of square. I had a couple of air bubbles that I had to get out. Used a like a plastic card and kind of work the bubbles out as you drop the material down. Anyway, I'll let you know how this works once I get the bed dialed in. Good evening, YouTube. So I've been using the printer today. Let me get this off of here. I've been printing some ABS here on the BuildTak, and yeah, there's the little test strip. You can see you get really good adhesion there. And so what I've found is settings before the BuildTak using the ABS juice. I was doing 115 on the bed for the first millimeter or 5 layers, and then I was dropping to 100. With the BuildTak, I do 90 C for the first millimeter and then drop it to 80. And this just finished. It's still a little bit warm. That's the other recommendation with the BuildTak, is you need to take the parts off when they're hot. But you can see I got a really nice print there. Actually, I printed a paper towel holder. So this is a little multi-piece paper towel holder. I'll probably screw them up on my rafters here. I wanted to get one that fit on these 2x3 roof trusses. So yeah, that should work. I was trying to find one at the store this weekend and I couldn't find one, and went and looked on Thingiverse and found this. It's got actually a pretty nice design. It doesn't require bending anything, but it uses this bracket that you screw on, and then this end piece just slides in and clips. So that looks like a pretty nice setup, printed in ABS. So there you go. Here's the, let's see, this was the back side. You can see nice smooth print, a little bit of lifting there. Okay, so it wasn't totally perfect. That one came out really nice. That's the side that was against the bed. The brim comes off real easy, so I think this BuildTak is working pretty well. And then I just have a little bottle of some 70% isopropyl alcohol that I rub it down with just to clean it off every few prints. And the other thing I try to do is print the first piece I printed here, the second piece I printed over here, the third piece I printed over there. Kind of move things around. Don't just print everything right dead center where Cura wants to drop it. Move things around a little bit so you get maximum life out of the BuildTak. And then the only other change I did was I took off my aluminum tape on the little spacer piece here, so I let a little bit of the heat escape, but I keep enough in to prevent the ABS from warping. And that, I mean, that came out just dead flat. You know, and that's a pretty tough piece to print in ABS. So yeah, if you have any questions, put that in the comment section below. The video description, I'll put links to all these things that I found in the video description. If you're new to the channel and like these sorts of videos, feel free to subscribe with the link in the lower right corner. And as always, thanks for watching.